One unique feature of our FormsBoss software is the ability to keep track of your schedule, various events and meetings and everything in our planner form. In order to access that planner form from the customer screen, you'll go here to the View menu and select Planner. And here you'll see it comes up with a basic calendar program, and it will automatically come to the week view so that you can see all 7 days of your week laid out here. You can also select here to see the day view, or you can look at the month view. You'll notice that in every view that you look at, today will be a pale yellow color and all the other days will be white. So that's how you'll know whether you're looking at today's day schedule or not. I'm going to go back here to the day schedule. If you wanted to go to a different day in the calendar, you could just click in this box and you could select a different day and it would go straight to that day. So that you could add an event there. You can go back to today there just by clicking back in that same spot, or you can navigate with these buttons here. You can go to a previous day or the next day with those buttons at the top there. Let me show you how you can actually add events into your planner. You can click directly on your planner in the time frame that you want to have the event scheduled. So let's say that I wanted to add an event that was going to start here at 10:45 this morning. I could just click there and create a new event. I would give it a subject. And then click Edit Details. You can actually change your subject in this box if you need to. You can change your start and end time. You'll want to click your little alarm feature here if you want FormsBoss Planner to notify you when this event is happening. If an event is finished, if you've already completed that event, you can click Done there in that box. You can color code your events here with this feature. So if, for example, if you had personal events scheduled on your planner in addition to work events, you could color code which ones you wanted to have with different colors, and you can add any notes that you want to remember for this event here in this bottom section. You'll click Save, and you'll see that it has added that event here on my list. If I wanted to extend or lessen the time of this event, I could just click here and extend it down to make it last longer or shorter as needed. I can also pick up this event and drag it to another time if I wanted to move it down to a different time. I could do that as well. So this is just a handy way that you can keep track of your schedule in FormsBoss. And we can actually take a look now that we have an event listed. We'll look at our week view and you can see what that looks like with that event scheduled in the week view, and also in the month view you'll be able to see a glimpse of the event that's scheduled there too. So you can keep track of all of your events here in your FormsBoss planner, and it will remind you when the time has come for those events. You can just double click on an event in order to open it back up again. And you could either click here on the title link of the event or click this Edit Details to open it back up and make any changes. If you needed to delete the event, you would just click Delete there. So you've got lots of different ways that you can control your events within your FormsBoss planner. I'll go ahead and show you how to create another event here. We'll just add another one in. So now I have 2 events scheduled here with different color coding there, so you can kind of see what it would look like when you had 2 events set up back to back in your planner. You can also have overlapping events if you need to. You can schedule as many events as you need to in your day with this planner form. It's a very handy feature of FormsBoss. After you've scheduled events in your planner, if you selected for the event to send you an alarm at the time that the event starts, even if you're working on something else within FormsBoss, you have the planner window closed, it will send you an alarm. It will pop up a notification for you whenever that event is scheduled to take place if you have that alarm selected. Here's your notification for your event that you had scheduled, and it just pops right up there reminding you about this meeting. And you can select done if this event is done, or you can just click OK and it will keep it within the list of notifications. So that gives you a glimpse of how the notifications works for your planner.